This Goan delicacy you will find in most of the houses in Goa on special occasion. Today let's make my version of Goan Patolyo. Hi everyone, welcome to Homemade. If you're new to my channel and if you like the content you're watching, consider subscribing it. All you have to do is wash and soak some local unpolished rice for at least 7 to 8 hours or overnight. Once the rice is soaked, let's make some stuffing. In the preheated pot, add some fresh coconut along with some coconut jaggery and water. Mix everything together and cook it until the jaggery melts. Once the jaggery is melted, add the cardamom powder, mix it again, put off the flame and let the stuffing cool down completely. While the stuffing is cooling down, drain all the soaked water from the rice and transfer it to a mixer grinder jar. Firstly, grind the rice without adding water. Next, add little water at a time and grind it to a fine dough-like consistency batter. Make sure while grinding the rice do not add a lot of water. Grind the remaining rice the same way and transfer it to a wide deep bowl. Season the batter with salt according to taste and mix it thoroughly. The batter shouldn't be too thick or too thin. Wash and pat dry the turmeric leaves and keep it aside. If the leaves are wide and large, you can cut them as well. Before making the patolyos, make sure the batter, stuffing and a bowl of water is ready. With the help of the spoon, take some batter onto the leaf. Dip the spoon in water and spread the batter evenly on the leaf. Stuff the coconut jaggery mixture in the center of the leaf and fold the leaf as shown in the video. If I could pick one such delicacy to have every single day for the rest of my life, it would surely be this Goan Patolyo. If you don't have access to coconut jaggery, you can always use a sugarcane jaggery as well. Repeat the same process for all the leaves and prepare the patolyos. While preparing the patolyos, make sure you preheat the steamer. Place the patolyos in the steamer and overlapping the patolyos is absolutely fine, no problem. Steam it for 20 to 30 minutes and enjoy this delicious patolyos, and don't forget to eat homemade and stay healthy. Bye bye, God bless.